Hey. Today I'm gonna show you what I can do with my mouth. Leave a comment below if you can do anything weird with your mouth. I don't know if this is weird or not, but here you go. I did not just see that. OMG. Needed a breath there for a second. Oh my gosh. I am so weird because my brother's weird, so I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. Okay, it's running out. Whoa. What just happened? I am talking like that. Oh no. Oh no. So, leave a comment below and ask. Boom, boom, beat 'em, boom, boom, beat 'em, boom, 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 beat 'em, boom, boom, beat 'em, boom, 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 boom. Beat up, beat up, beat up, So yeah, leave a comment below of what you can do something weird with your mouth. Glasses off. Glasses on. Glasses off. Glasses on. Bye. Bye. Leave a comment below.